This conference will now be recorded.
Suppose I'm working in a like an environment, it is customized. Some customizations are there. Okay, from last 5 years or 4 years, I'm working on that customization. Now, this is only in my environment only available. Okay, what I will think, what I will thought, it is the standard. Okay, then if I'm asking like special GL, what is the special GL? It is not there. It is a customization, right?
Okay. Okay.
So I'm predicting there is no special GL. One thing, what is the difference between junior and senior is senior. I'm a senior, then I will tell like in the system there is no special GL. I confidently speak like I will reject it very
Okay.
confidently. But
Okay.
because you are junior, you will think about whether it is there or not. Sometimes the interviewer
Okay.
also make thinking like it is there. So I will speak very strongly like it is not there. It is a customization because I have a lot of experience. For you, it is not there.
Okay.
You will think like it is available, and you are thinking for solution.
Yes. Yes.
Even whenever I'm taking interview, I will ask intentionally wrong questions also. You need to tell like you need to rectify that wrong questions. This is wrong. Whatever you are asking, it is wrong.
Okay.
That I will that is I'm expecting. If you remember, like if you know, in 2008, 2009, 2010, when I'm facing interviews, there are many mistakes. Interviewer don't know what is the ask, how to ask questions. How to ask questions also he don't know. And like I need to tell him like this is the actual question and this is the solution. Yes, tell me. Because people are not available in the new company. The company is there, like there is no people, then what he will do, he will recruit one person. He's the person he need to interview. I will tell you one example, like in 2012, in 11 and 12, when I'm working in a company, I have interviewed my lead.
Okay.
Actually that company asked me to become a lead consultant, but I'm not interested. Of course, in 2012, 11, 12 means I have 11 years of experience, but in Dynamics I have 3-4 years. Only 3-4 years at that time. Total years 12 years. They are ready to give me lead consultant role, but I rejected because if I'm a lead, definitely I need to have so many. Then I clearly told to my company like I can work as a lead consultant, but for lead officially you need to bring another person. Then they told me like you take interview and like bring a lead, your lead, that you can bring your own lead. Then I have interviewed, I have taken. Of course, once he joined, uh, like he is a production consultant expert. I'm finance consultant. For one of the project, there are 45 queries came. In 45 queries, 30 queries are finance, 15 queries are T&L, SCM, manufacturing. Now, for 30 queries, I have completed all 30 queries in 2 months for the support. And like only like that guy has completed 2 queries. And what client told, like in front of the top management, 30 plus 2, 32, they put it in my box, and they told like all 32 is cleared by finance consultant Satya, finance people. 13, 14, whatever it is there in production, he did not finish even single one issue also from last 2 months. Then this guy escaped on that day.
Mhm.
So because he has experience, he came, but he's not fulfilling his experience properly. Okay, that is different scenario. So here like whenever you are doing, the main difference between senior and junior, by looking into the screen I can understand whether it is a customization or standard, but for you it is little bit difficult.
Yes,
There
sir.
is a major challenge. There is a major challenge that will come with experience only. With experience only, you cannot uh, like get it immediately, am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's Okay, so yesterday 3 pending topics. The first one is data management framework. Okay, let me go to DMF. I hope it works. Data management, data management. Okay, so let me click on templates. So load templates. Click on load templates. Sorry, not this one. I need to do for all load templates, all load templates. Actually, I'm traveling to my hometown today night. So if it is any pending, we'll discuss on like one Sunday, we along with your questions and anything. Okay, we'll have most probably. Please post your doubts, questions in the WhatsApp group in 8 a.m. batch. I will change that 8 a.m. batch as old 8 a.m. batch. Okay, remember. So most probably 18th or 25th we will discuss one day. 18th or otherwise 19th or 26th one day. Okay, most probably by 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30 we'll discuss. But
Today is
there
the
is,
last section, sir.
yeah, today is the last session. Today is the last session. Okay, so if you have any doubts, I will discuss with you on that day. Okay, so please post as many as possible. Don't individual. Suppose one person has posted one doubt, then second person he is posting second doubt, then he need to combine 1 and 2 and post 1 and 2 together. Understood? So that will have collectively information in the WhatsApp group, and we'll have, if it is 1 or 2 day sessions, I don't have any issues. Only for this batch, I'm telling you, only for this batch, because there are so many people in this batch, like a big team. That is the reason my interest. Okay, special interest. Okay, it is going on. It will take 1 or 2 minutes time. Let it be. Meanwhile, let me open. Okay, I will share with you like interview questions. One to one, ping me in WhatsApp group. I will share with you. But it is not required from me. But you can find your own. But I will share with you the questions in generalized questions, sample questions. Okay, fine. General lecture. Yeah, someone is speaking something. Financial reports.
Yeah,
Let
sir.
me try to open. Yeah,
Sample resume.
tell me.
Any sample resume, sir?
Yeah, sample resume also you can send me in WhatsApp, like ping me 1 to 1. I will share with you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So projects you need to fill.
Okay.
Whenever I have explained at the time of workflow, whether I have opened like this last time or not. Whether I have explained like this, I have opened this file or not. I did not remember. Yeah, okay.
Now it will work, sir.
Fine. It is not working here. Financial reports. I can't do anything about this financial reports, because if it is working, I can try to help you on this one. Even in this environment also Microsoft has not given. So workflows I tried, but this is not working. Let me try one more time, because it will impact performance. That's why maybe some is not coming.
Sir, if you have any previous recording of this topic, you can share.
No, for this one for MR, it is for MR I am not able to access. That is a major challenge. So that is the reason I'm telling you. It is rather than me in YouTube, you will find plenty. It's very, very easy. It is explained in detail. It is explained in detail. You can go through that one also. Okay, MR. So for MR, I'm not able to show you. Only actually the difference is like my voice and other voice. That's it. But that is definitely more beautiful. If I have any doubts, I will refer that one only, because that is we are not doing every day. It is one-time job. Okay, let me go to export. COA. Okay, next COA. Let me make a little bit smaller so that it will be visible to everyone. Now label entity. If it is chart of accounts are open, that's great. Yes, it is coming. Good. Give me a minute. Let me take it. Now I can show you clearly. Suppose, look at this one. For understanding purpose, I'm creating one chart of accounts. General ledger. Accounts, chart of accounts. For a fresh database, you will not find anything. You will not find anything. You need to create, suppose, COA new something. Okay, you need to create new one. One account you are creating, one main account. 100, 200 is State Bank of India. Amirpet branch or Chandanagar branch. It is asset. Okay, it was created. One created. If it is empty, it will be nothing will be there. Like this, we need to create one sample. Now I'm exporting. I'm exporting. Click on new entity, add entity, chart of accounts. Okay, Excel. Click add and close. Okay, it was added. Now click on export now. Okay, now it is succeeded. Okay, you can click on download file. Now it is there in the folder. It is in downloads, it will be there. Downloads. The file is imported. Okay, it is not this one. I'm sorry, not chart of accounts. We need to have main accounts. So this is not required. Chart of accounts name. What is the use? Okay, leave it. Now I'm creating one more main accounts. Chart of accounts is a simple one. You can add main account, Excel, click add and close. For this main accounts, I'm exporting. Export now. Now download file. So it was downloaded already. It is in the download files. Look at this one. It is showing all. Actually, in real-time scenario, you will not find all these things. You will find only chart of accounts. I'm deleting all these things. Okay, I'm deleting these things. Now I'm disconnect. I'm cutting this one. Means I'm keeping only one chart of accounts. This is exercise. You need to do it. Insert. Now I'm removing all these things. It is not required for me. In the very first data, you will find like this. Okay, this is already exported, because in the fresh database you will find only one chart of accounts, only one this one and one account. Okay, now I can copy this one and I can paste like this. Now I can change the account number. The corrections, whatever is required, I can change. Okay, now I can change the name also. It is not LK Chandanagar, it is HDFC Bank. And this is cash account. Whatever it is, like this, you are going to do modifications. You are going to do modifications. Okay. Once it is modified, I can import. I can import. So import main account. Click on add file. Now you need to select entity, main account, and source code data. So let me upload. In the downloads, this file is there, main accounts. Selecting OK. Excel file. Click OK. Open. Give me a minute. What happened? Give me a minute. It is already created. Sorry, that is not refreshed. First time only it was created. Now you can click on import now. That is the reason it is telling like already there, already there. I'm doing once again. Okay, fine. Now it is successful. Succeeded without any others. Now if you verify chart of accounts, refresh 3 accounts. Understood? It is very simple. Export and import. So you need to write export one, import one. So for export projects, you need to write and import projects. For this, already predefined templates are there. It is defined. And here, actually, this is not the templates. It is entities here. Data entities, the actual screen. In this, it will be there. Entities. So here, this is a connections. So if you want to see the structure, entity structure, you can see. 1 second. One minute. Here, look at this one. The connections. What system will do? Excel, from Excel to staging table, from staging to Dynamics application. So it is mapping is there. This mapping will be done by technical people. If you are very much expert, you can do it. Field level mapping. Okay, this is staging table, this is the target. Staging means intermediate table. Excel, this is Excel file. From Excel, it will import to this staging table. From this one to it was supposed to be this one. So this is mappings. This mapping, it is showing visualization like this. If you want, you can modify also. But I'm not expert in that area. So if you want, you can do it. Understood? This is called entity. This is called entity. So data entities. So like this, you will find vendor for customer like this. For vendor also there will be one entity. Vendor V3 or something. V3 is the latest. Okay, this is vendor V2 for normal. This is for retail. So it will be the mapping will be there. It is not one field or two fields. It is more than 40 fields, 50 fields, sometimes 100 fields also. You will find a lot. It's taking time to open this file. Okay, you are not going to drag and drop. It is drag and drop means you will get mad. Don't expect it is through code you will write here. This is only for visualization. But this is the actual. So field and here. Excel to staging field, staging to this one. Getting my point? Any questions here? This is called entity, not legal entity. It is entity. Okay, so for this, first thing is you need to remember framework parameters. You need to refresh this one, refresh entity list. Another one is load templates. This two. By default, it will not be there. You need to click on load templates. You need to map this framework parameters, entities, refresh entities. Then automatically the entities will be shown here in the data entities. Okay, so this templates are like general ledger. These are mostly here. It is whenever you are doing, you will find templates. Like suppose in general ledger, if you go to general ledger, you will find journal lines. In general ledger also, if you go general ledger, you will find the templates. These are templates. Just give me a minute. Like this. Those are here. It will be created. So all these are techno-functional. So purely 100% functional? No. Purely technical? No. It is techno-functional. If you more in depth, if you are learning, you can learn. This is MB300 a lot. Through Excel integration, you can use that. Those are templates. Okay. Fine. So this is about this one. Anyhow, I told you financial reports I'm not able to show you. That is management reporter. You can go through YouTube and you can find a lot, because from many days I'm not able to show you for everyone, for every batch. What I'm doing, I'm showing you, like, go to YouTube and you can understand. Anyhow, that is 1 hour session. It is detailed explanations. There are so many. Next one is workflows. Workflows, I think I have explained last time, but I'm just recapping. Suppose accounts payable or purchase order. Let me show you accounts payable. Setup, workflow, accounts payable in workflows. So there is no, this is invoice journal workflow. Suppose if you want to create invoice workflow, vendor invoice workflow, you can create. Vendor invoice workflow. What happened? It should open. Why it is not moving? Give me a second. It is not opening. Fine, let me open this one. Is it not working? It should work. Earlier, I think I have shown, am I right? Last time, remember? Let me refresh. Yeah, it is opening now. Username, password. So this is the workflow. Okay. So you can, I told you last time, you need to adjust. The screen is little bit complex. You need to adjust. All right. This last time I have discussed. And you can close. So double click, right click properties. So here you need to mention and assignment. So which user you want. Whether you want all approvers or specific user approver, and conditions. You can apply conditions. If you want conditions like this much amount, that much amount, like this, you can map. 1 second. It is showing, yeah, here. So this amount is this one or currency is this one, conditions, whatever you want, you can map. Okay, so I'm not doing this one, I'm deleting. Let me try to new one. Yeah, it is open now. For I will show you for the new one. I hope this is explained earlier, am I right? Adjustment screen and all those things. You need to drag and drop. Okay. Once again, need to adjustment. Let me decrease this one. Let me adjust. So start and end you need to correct. So more you practice, more you will learn. That's it. Double click, right click properties, or here also you can click properties. Suppose I'm giving the same Sarah as my manager. only single approval. Now, if you verify error panel, if it is showing anything error or not, you need to verify. Means if you go to workflow, if you click on error pan, it is showing without any errors. Save 1.0 version. Click OK. It is coming. Do not active means it is cancelling, but I want active. Okay, now close. It will create one vendor invoice workflow. Vendor invoice workflow. If it is vendor invoice workflow means if it is a purchase order is created, it is mandatory. You need to create, you need to approve the invoice. Then only you can proceed. Let me show you one purchase order. Normally invoice is workflow is not there. Now you have enabled. I'm sorry. I'm creating a purchase order. Selecting the vendor. So these additional tools, try to do it in the trial version only. In your local system also it may not work. Click OK. So while doing this one, you can ask me any questions, please. No problem. If you have any questions, we can discuss. I'm selecting item. I can do confirmation. Generate a page, product receipt. During invoice, it will ask you to workflow. This is not error message, it is a bug actually, small bug. Warning message, no problem. Posted. Now I'm doing invoice. If I'm doing invoice, you cannot post it until and unless workflow is approved. Okay, update mass status. It is passed. Now you cannot post until and unless workflow is completed. You need to submit workflow. Even if you post it, it will throw error message. Workflow should be completed. Okay, workflow, once it is submitted, you cannot see here. You know the pending vendor invoice, or you can go to the pending vendor invoices form. Invoices, pending vendor invoices. So from here, you can go to workflow, view workflow. So it is there. You can go inside. It's pending. So workflows, system administration, collapsal, workflows, workflow infrastructure configuration, and I'm making 1 second. 1 minute. Now Sara need to approve. Okay, being an administrator, I can modify myself. I can reassign to me. Admin. Click OK. Refresh. Now it was assigned to delegated to Julia. Sara is delegated to Julia. Now if you go back, approve button will be enabled for me itself. Once it is approved, approve. Refresh. It is once it is approved. The status is approved, then it will be allowed to post. Actually, status will be there, but it is not showing here status. I don't know why. Upload status. Now I'm posting. It will be posted. Cancel means it is still approval status. It is not in it is in review process only. If you go to here, view call history. Still it is showing. Now it is approved. Workflow is completed. If it is workflow is completed, then it will allow you to post. Until and unless it is workflow is completed or like approved, it will not allow you to post. Yeah, understood. So I'm not able to show you that one, as I told you, like management reporter. I'm not able to show you because even here also it is not working. I tried many times. I'm not able to open in like yeah. Any questions? Any last questions, team? One of our colleagues is asking. Okay, fine. Any questions, team? Any generalized questions?
Sir, what is ledger form?
What is the
Ledger form.
ledger form? This one only. That is, if you are asking this many like very basic, it's very dangerous. Ledger form we have discussed already. General ledger, ledger setup. You are asking about human being head. Where is head? I told this word many times. Am I right?
Okay. Yes.
This is
So
head.
here we
I
can
told you.
map main accounts. Accounting structure is there, right, sir? Here we can add multiple or else only 2 to 3.
You can map n number of structures, any number of
No,
structures.
sir. No, sir. If try to add some other accounting structures here, there is
It will throw error
error.
message.
error.
So
Yes, yes.
you need to understand accounting structure. Class session I have explained. Overlap should not allow. In this one already it is 1 to 4 series. It is there. 1 series to 3999, and
Okay.
another series it is 4 to 999. Then where is the gap? You need to create differently from 10000 to 15000 one structure. Another structure
Okay, got it.
16000. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Right.
Any more questions? This is, I told you, like if you are manufacturing of toys, head is first man. You need to manufacture head. If the head is not there, then no toy will sold. In the same manner, if you are learning ERP, if you don't know about ledger, then there is no use. This is the major important, and I told you this many times. This is equal to head of the human being, or
Yes, sir.
any animal or any person, anything. Head is most important. That is head. This one is head. Okay. Any more questions, team? Anyone? So collectively, please like type questions in the group, in the WhatsApp group. Like 8 a.m. it will be changed to old 8 a.m. I'm changing now itself. Okay, it was became
Sir,
old am 8. Yes, please.
sir, yesterday's class it was not uploaded. I mean, would it be available or
Sorry, it was not
uh,
uploaded. Can you ping in the
yeah,
group?
yesterday's I think I just wanted to know like if it was recorded or if it is available.
Yeah,
I
it was
mean, if it is
recorded.
available.
I started
Yeah.
recorded definitely, because
Okay.
I joined through mobile. And I have recorded. So through
Okay.
mobile I
Okay.
have recorded. Okay, it is not showing in the here, but it is recorded.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Fine. Otherwise,
Yeah.
if you if it is really missing, okay, you can ask me that questions at that day. Like if it is really missing, I don't think so. But 1 second. So what are the topics it is covered yesterday? Management reporter only, right? Any other one? Financial reports, Any other one discussed yesterday?
No, sir. That's all.
It is generalized gaps, work in progress, and IFRS we have discussed. That's what, yeah. It is this way.
Sir,
IFRS.
sir,
Yes, yes. Yeah.
we used date intervals, which is only for transactions purpose only, right? Trial balance, which is checking only previous month or previous year.
I did not get your question. Sorry.
Date intervals in general ledger, date intervals is there.
Okay. I will explain you now. Give me a minute. Fine. It is 9. Okay, good question. That is a small topic. Definitely I missed. Date interval. Okay, what is this date interval means here? Even it is available in our environment also. Let me close all these things. A small kind of tool kind of thing, date interval. Everywhere in the reports you can use it. That is reusable small tool developed by Microsoft. Okay, so what is that? Let me show you. So let me show you from this one. Okay, here in this general ledger, date intervals, small setup. It is showing current period automatically. Look at this one. From date and to date. If this date is changed, it will change to July. It is August, it is August. How it is changing? I'm creating now new CP. Current month, CM. Otherwise, I'm creating current month. Okay, here I can select. Look at this one. Current month. It is starting date and ending date. It is showing same date today. But what I'm selecting month and the month. I'm sorry. Start and end. Automatically it is updated. This is current month. Suppose previous month. I want to create previous month. Another 6 to 9 months you can access. Previous month. Suppose I'm selecting month. Month. So here I'm making starting date and ending date. Then it is not previous month, it is current month. If you enter -1, it is this one. If you enter -1, it is previous, but you are mentioning month. One second, this is not the correct one. Why it is showing 30th? It's wrong. Year, month.
So need to map date start and end adjustment also.
Yes. Okay, like this. Sorry, come again. Start and adjustment means what is mean?
This period type adjustment also. Yes, sir. You are map it right now.
Yeah, yeah. So you can do like this. So it is automatically, we are in the month of June. It is taking previous month, May 1st to May 31st. So what is the benefit this one means? Whenever you are generating any reports, not only trial balance, any reports, whenever you are generating, you can select directly current month. It will automatically take previous month, current period also the same, previous month or previous period I have created, previous year, previous month, current year, whatever the way you want. No need to select one by one dates, it will be automatically selected. This is reusable small tool is date interval. Understood? Any questions, team? Anyone? This is reusable tool. Everywhere reports you can generate. So video recording success another 6 months to 9 months. 6 to 9 months it will be there.
Sir, some videos are playing in between automatically was stopped, sir. End section
So
will be coming actually.
So for that I have recapped once again. It is prepayment invoice because my laptop has problems. It was not recorded properly. So for that I have recapped once again the session. But you have
No,
not
sir.
joined.
In the May 19th, also that video in between automatically stopped, and also fixed asset that video also in between stopped, sir. Video.
So you can revisit everyone because you are the only one person like complaining. Remaining people
Mm.
let fight. Okay, if it
Yes,
is
sir.
really
Yes.
required, I will explain you that one. No problem on the
Okay.
that one. But 99% it is not damaged on May 19th. It is May 9th or something. One day, like it is 1 or 2 days. It is prepayment invoice is not recorded properly. I have given. You can revisit and let me know. On one day we have already scheduling. So everyone is telling like the same complaint. Then we'll think.
Sir, how will explain the foreign currency revolution?
You need to explain how it is. How you explain means.
Means in while asking some interviewer who to will explain that what is foreign currency revolution.
Yeah, I have explained, am I right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
same
Yes, sir.
manner you
But
do this.
yes,
So
sir.
if you are not able to have notepad, you need to imagine, you need to explain. That is the
Yeah.
reason I'm telling you, like you need to speak with the friends, colleagues. How the way I need to speak.
Okay.
Understood?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So you need to convey the information like in a proper manner. You need to practice. How to explain means I cannot answer. I don't have the answers. Okay.
No, sir. Some guys will ask, right, what is foreign currency revolution? What is
Yeah,
general ledger?
yeah,
What
yeah,
is
yeah, exactly.
so
So,
the proper explanation will be needed, right?
so that is the reason I have explained. Am I right? Am I right? A lot.
Yes, sir. Yeah, classes will be done,
Definitely.
but
So see, I cannot make you like A for apple is B for bat. So this one I'm telling from more than 1.5 month before. Whenever I
got your
started
point, sir.
sessions, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
you need to convey. You need to convey. So if you are speaking, you will understand how to convey the information. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything else, team?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, yeah. Please.
With regards to fixed asset, so in the very beginning, like when we recorded a bill, fixed asset bill, we have recorded under computer and accessories.
Hmm.
And like after 1 year means when we are doing our audit, at the same time we comes to know that this is not computer accessories. It's supposed to be office equipment.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it means that it is a asset reclassification. So in this case, like how we have to do in the ERP.
So one is like, see, the first one is always the best practice is close that fixed asset to open the new fixed asset. That is the best practice. Okay. So here in the periodic tasks, we have transfer. Transfer the asset from one to another one. Okay, this is accounts. Okay, not this one. So you can change books, or if you want like that, you can change from this one to another one. Otherwise, it is better to close that fixed asset, create a new fixed asset, because within the year only, so you can close that one and you can create. Otherwise, we have this one update. 1 minute in the fixed asset only, transfer fixed asset also there. You are changing. Look at this one to another. Okay, one more is there. This is accounts transfer, and you need to change fixed asset group also, right? Yeah, change fixed asset group. Got it?
Okay, so
If you want to change directly, see, the thing is there are two here. One is you have calculated some calculations and everything posted, and it is wrong everything. It is better to close that one and create a fresh fixed asset and transfer the balances. That is the best option. Close that one.
okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
if it is simply only group change, you can change it. You have really
Okay, no, actually,
you have
we
realized
already
in
have
the
recorded. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. If you are realized already in the very first initial stage, this is the best option.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
If it is already posted some transactions, and one more thing, like I will show you, you can cancel also. We have options. If you go to books, so this is corrections. Okay, if you go to transactions, you can do reverse transaction. Okay, if it is posted recently, it can be possible reverse transaction. This is 2017 is showing, but newly posted transaction, if you want to reverse it, you can do. That is possible. Understood? That is possible. You can go to books and you can do the reverse. That reverse you cannot reverse in the last. I mean to say in the middle you cannot reverse. Last one you can reverse.
Okay.
Like that you can do it.
Okay. So as soon as we transfer that asset from one to one and another, that depreciation and amortizations will not reverse, right, sir?
So that's what actually if you are doing reverse like this, it will be reversed all one by one. So there are two things. If you are not posted, you can transfer that one, change the dimension. If you want to cancel this one, you can do reversal calculations. Like this is posted, it was reversal posted. Now you can post this one. So you are making nullification of the record. Got my point?
Yes.
All. Then create new one. This is you made it dummy.
Okay.
These are corrections. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir. Right, sir.
But you cannot reverse directly this one. You cannot do it. System will not allow you. The reason behind, you need to reverse one by one from the last. The same thing it is happened for inventory closing also. In the inventory closing also, inventory management, these are in real-time scenario, you are facing challenges and you are finding the solutions. The periodic tasks, closing and adjustment. This also inventory closing also. If you want to reverse, you can do the reverse. The last one you need to reverse. You need to mention what is the reason and you can click OK. It will be reversed. So from last you can reverse. These are corrections. Okay, it will take, it was initialized. It will take some time. It will be removed. Will be removed. Inventory closing hours. It will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you can verify. Fine. Any questions anymore?
Sir, while posting fixed asset, we can create one more what is SLM and RD, and also create one more. It will be a backend also posted, sir.
I did not get your question. Actually,
No, sir.
in the world,
While posting, only one transaction will be posted, right? Automatically
no,
posted and reducing
the link,
balance also, right?
the connections are, I have already discussed. If you remember, books, the fixed asset books are there. In the books, it is connection is there. Whenever you are posting one layer, you are posting to another layer also. Got it? Only for
Here we
USA
can
there are
map
so many.
acquisition and
You can map anything, but depreciation we will not map. The reason behind depreciation calculation is different. Am I right? Am I right?
okay.
So that is
Yes,
the
sir.
reason we are not mapping depreciation. If you want, you can map depreciation. Then what is the use of that one? No use. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. You can map it here. How you want. Any layers you can map it.
Here, computer and computer tax is there, right? And also we can create one more
Oh,
method.
yeah, see.
Th-
Yeah.
Then automatically
The first
transaction will happen, right?
So here, another layers. In USA, there are 4 to 5 layers. They are mapped.
No, sir.
So
Once
19.
open posting method and fixed asset,
Posting
fixed
purpose.
general entries,
Which one you
general
are
entries,
talking?
general entries. You can open general entries here only,
General
sir.
ledger.
Fixed asset general entry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, journal entries. Okay, journal, fixed asset journal.
General. Here, no posted, right? You can select all and open this one.
Mm.
Post one transaction, sir, here, and
So what is it?
automatically computer.
See, that's what I'm telling you. That one is depending on how you are setting in the books.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So based on the books only, it will be. It is whatever you are mapping in the books. That is the origin. This is the origin. Based on this setup, how many layers you want to post it, that you are deciding, and here automatically it will come. Got it?
Okay. Got it. Got it, sir.
This
Got
will
it.
come in the setup. Okay, fine.
Got it.
Any more questions, team? Any more questions, team? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. So we'll meet on maybe 19th or 25th based on your questions posting in the questions in the group, World 8 AM 8B83 Finance group. In this, you can post. So please don't post single one. I cannot consolidate. You need to consolidate. Whoever is posting, like suppose one person posted one question. Second person, whenever he is posting, he need to consider first question and second question together. Like that, it will be consolidated. Otherwise, it is missing once again. Okay. Based on your questions, I will set up one meeting. And if it is really required, one more session, no problem for me. I will make a session. But ask the questions in the group. Okay. And don't ask me customizations related questions. Like standard only I can explain you, but customizations I cannot. But I can discuss with you. You can post it, but I'm not going to give you solutions. I can give you clarifications on those things if it is any customizations. Okay, fine. So if it is Dhawan, if you want to, we'll discuss that one later after 6 months. Anyhow, you have my video record, my mobile number, my email ID, everything, right? So don't worry on that one. So see, majority times I'm suggesting you to a team please interact me through WhatsApp group, but not calls, because I may be busy. I may not pick your calls. And suppose this week I'm too busy, to be frankly. So if you are asking me, I may not respond. But in the weekends, you can remind me once again. In the weekends, if you remind me, I will give you. Whenever I have time, I will try to interact with you. So, but for everything, small things, suppose I'm creating a sales order, sir, I'm doing packing slip, I'm getting error. Don't ask me. That is not at all explanation from me, because I have discussed. Small silly things, I will not respond, because that is, you need to practice. Explanation is required, but clarification is different and explanation is different. During the trainings, it is explanation. I cannot give you explanation in the WhatsApp. I can give you clarifications only. Means you did practice, and then on top of that, if you are asking questions, by looking into the questions, I can understand whether it is really complex or small. Based on that, I will react. Okay. Best of luck to you, all of you. Okay. So I hope you will be
Sir.
placed in the company as early as possible, as soon as possible. Yes, please.
So tomorrow do we have class?
No. Today it is the last session. Okay.
So that item
So,
master is one pending item, sir, that is closed up.
it's not item master, item model group. I will discuss
Yes,
with you on that day, because I'm traveling to my hometown. Okay, and that is the reason I'm closing. We'll discuss on that day, whatever it is there we are planning on that day. I will discuss with you once again. Okay, item model group I have explained, but I want to explain in depth a little bit more. Okay, so I will discuss with you on that day once again. Okay, clarifications I will in that session I will give you. So try to revisit all the video recording sessions and try to note down questions, any doubts. Okay. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Final. So if nothing, then we can wind up the session. Best of luck to you, all of you. Okay, see you all.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.